DJ Delz.
Delz, we've got both of the Charlotte Flair releases. The left side, we've got the common, and then on the right, we have got the WWE exclusive / Footlocker exclusive. Released on WWE's site a little early, and I was able to get mine. Definitely curious to see if there's any difference with the Footlocker one besides the sticker. To me, the greatest women's wrestler is Charlotte Flair. And you know what? It's getting there. It's getting to the point where Ronda Rousey may be taking over that spot because she is crushing it lately. But this video is all about Charlotte Flair, the common verse the Footlocker WWE exclusive. After I take them out of the box, make sure you leave in the comments which one you like better. Unless you know already, then type away and hang that thumbs up button right now for that out of the box look. I know not everyone likes taking them out of the box, but we do that over here. And let's get into it. Alright, so here we go with a look at the common, which is right there. That's the common. And then that is the Footlocker / WWE exclusive. Looks like basically the same. It's just, you know, the colorway is different. By the way, as you can see in the background, I did score the AC/DC Angus Young Chase. I was trying to hunt it down at the mall today. Shout out to everyone I ran into at the mall. Shout out to my dude Paris. And I gotta shout out Josh. And also I gotta shout out my dude Patrick. Rocking them Yeezys today. But yeah, I went to Barnes & Noble's after leaving the mall. And man, I was able to score this Funko Pop and two others. It was 3 for $20 at Barnes & Noble. So definitely head over to Barnes & Noble's for limited time. 3 for 20 buckaroo skis. So, you know, Charlotte, she wears the robes like her dad, Ric Flair, right there. And by the way, I did do a review on all of the new ones that released, like Batista, Randy Orton, the John Cena You Can't See Me. So definitely check out that video. I'll put a pop-up somewhere on the screen, definitely. There is a side profile. And there's a link in the back. So it's basically the same. It's just they just painted them differently. It would have been nice if they did maybe a little bit of a different pose. There's a look at our other side. Let me know which one you like better, the common or the Footlocker / WWE exclusive, which I was lucky enough to score on the site. I will post a link to all the WWE Funko Pops in the description box below, along with a bunch of others I think you definitely want to pre-order. So definitely check all of that out in the description box below. If you didn't thumbs up the video, please do so. Subscribe if you're new. I have a podcast, if you love podcasts, over at patreon.com / DJ Delz. Become a member. We do giveaways there. It is a lot of fun, especially if you need something to listen to throughout the week. We're at 52 episodes. When you join, they're all unlocked. It's all Q&A. So it never gets old, and we've reviewed so much here in the past week. We reviewed the Bulbasaur, we reviewed Agent J, this was the exclusive. We did review Metallic Skeletor, tons and tons of videos here. So if you're new here, check out all the vids, and I definitely will be reviewing that Chase and compare it to the actual common, probably tonight or tomorrow. So turn the notifications on. Thanks for tuning in. Much love, and we out.